plane. You see, it's taking off right now, and we have put on our seat belt and put our seat upright and start to take off. Vroom. Where are we going? Wait. Okay, let's take off first. Whoa, this is so nice. Whoa, we are flying. Woohoo! Yes. Guess where we are going? And we are actually in the economy class, alright? So Uncle Chibay and I are going to enjoy ourselves on the plane. We're going to sleep, we're going to eat, and we're going to watch some shows while waiting to go to our destination. Whoa, what is that? Ah, it's a helicopter. Have you taken a helicopter ride before? I have not been, and I want to try. Wow, now I'm in a sailboat. Can you see the beautiful trees, beautiful mountains, beautiful rainbow, beautiful cloud, beautiful birds, and the hot air balloon too? Row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, life is but a dream. Row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, life is but a dream. Wow, this is so fun! And it's time for me and Uncle Chipping to go back home. What are we going to use? Of course, the plane. Bye bye!